I was watching the US Open the other day, and they quoted Billie Jean King saying that pressure is a privilege. And I thought, what a great quote. Because I sometimes used to see pressure and balk in the face of it and step back. But now I actually see, no, if I've got pressure, then it means I'm in a privileged position to be under pressure that can make me rise up and do my best, under that pressure. And because of that pressure, and even sometimes now, I actually like a bit of pressure. It's
I love that.
Yeah, you need it. It doesn't actually get you up to do what you need to do. So, I'm not talking about stress. That's different. I think stress is something else. I'm talking about healthy pressure, which is to do your best, be your best, and deliver. It gives you a sort of focus.
It drives you. Right. It drives you to perform even better than you thought you may have been able to.
Absolutely, and that's where excellence lives.